Today in History May 9, 2012, the brand new Sukhoi Superjet 100 plane crashes. The regional jet was the first airliner produced in Russia since the end of the USSR in 1991. The doomed flight was a demonstration tour carrying potential customers. All 45 people on board perished in the crash, which was caused by pilot error. 1997, Pete Peterson becomes the first US ambassador to visit Vietnam after the end of the war. Peterson, a Vietnam veteran, devoted himself to promoting reconciliation between the two countries. About 2.5 million Vietnamese, most of them civilians, were killed during the war. 1979, Iranian Jewish businessman Habib Elghanian is executed. An Islamic Revolutionary Tribunal had convicted him of contacts with Israel and Zionism, and friendship with the enemies of God. His execution triggered a Jewish mass exodus from Iran. 1969, Carlos Lamarca begins his fight against Brazil's military dictatorship. Lamarca was a member of the communist organization Vanguardia Popular Revolucionaria, VPR, and is well known for his urban guerrilla actions. Brazilian forces killed him in 1971. 1960, the first birth control pill is approved. The US Food and Drug Administration announced that it would add birth control as a new indication for the drug Anovid. 1994, Rohit Sharma, Indian cricketer. 1992, Sai Pallavi, Indian actress. 1989, Vijay Deverakonda, Indian actor. 1949, Billy Joel, American singer-songwriter, pianist. 1934, Alan Bennett, English actor, screenwriter, author. 1921, Sophie Scholl, German student, activist. 1837, Adam Opel, German engineer, founded the Opel Company. 1866, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Indian politician. 1800, John Brown, American activist. 1540, Maharana Pratap, Indian ruler of Mewar. (2012) Vidal Sassoon, English, American hairdresser. 1986, Tenzing Norgay, Nepalese mountaineer. 1976, Ulrike Meinhof, German journalist, activist. 1805, Friedrich Schiller, German poet, playwright, historian. 1707, Dieterich Buxtehude, German, Danish organist, composer.